Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to see how to reverse a linked list. So basically we are given this linked list and we have to make it this. We have to just reverse it. So it's pretty easy. I mean easy to understand. So let's do it. So the method which I'll be using is the two pointer method. Basically I'll be using pointers, and I'll just say right away the time complexity of the method which I will be using is the best one, which is big O of n, and there will be no space complexity because it's doing it big O of 1 because I'm doing it in place and I'm doing it inside the array itself, inside the linked list itself. So okay, so how do we do this? Uh, okay, so I'll be doing it with the help of plenty of pointers. So the first one will be current over here. So current will be at the head position, and I'll also have a thing called as none over here, and to this none I'll be having uh, a previous and also a next nxt. So I'll tell you what does it mean. So how I'll be doing is that firstly, like always, I'll just do current is equal to head. So because always ideally the head is always the first position of the linked list, so this is the head. So I'll just make current is equal to head. Now what I want to do is that, so the first step, like I'll be reversing the linked list in just 4 steps. So the first step is next is equal to current dot next. So what this means is that this next will go over here. So that's what current of next means. And then what I will do is that I will do current is equal to, sorry, I'll be current dot next is equal to rev. So what this does is that this thing will be erased and it will point in this direction. So this line breaks this thing, so this thing gets broken by this, and what this does is that it makes this thing. Okay, and then what I will do is that I will make previous go one step forward. So I will be like previous is equal to current. So basically this previous, oopsies, so this previous will come over here, too cramped. So basically this, so this previous will come over here. I'll just bring this down, and so in this step the previous went over here, and now what I will do is the last step will be current is equal to next. So basically this current will go over here, and as already this previous will be here. So yeah, that's how you do it, and I will be repeating this entire process until the current doesn't reach to the last position. So for that it's very simple. the condition is just that while current not equal to none, I will just do all these operations. And yes, that's pretty much it. So that's how you reverse it. So let's go to Leetcode and see this thing. So that's what I did. So firstly I just made current is equal to the head, and then yeah, also this thing has to be defined over here. Also I have to define that, also I need to define that next is equal to none and prev is equal to none. Yeah, so the entire code is this much only to reverse the linked list. So yeah, I made current is equal to head, previous is equal to none, next is none. While current is not equal to none, next is current dot next, and it is as I how I explained. And basically one more thing, that finally previous, what will happen in the last case is that this current will eventually reach over here, and so is the next, and the previous will go till here. So eventually previous will be at the last position. So if we return previous, it will basically just give the entire reversed linked list. So yeah, that's what I did this, and if we submit, it should work. See, it has worked. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.